We have seen in the example with the while loop that loops are very good to work with arrays. An array holds many values, and often we want to work with every value in an array in a sequence. And we can use an array for this purpose. So let's see how we could use a for loop to go through all the values in an array. Here I have created an array on line 9. It holds data of the type string, and it can hold 4 values, as we can see at the end of line 9. Every place in the array has been assigned a value. We can see this in lines 10 to 13. So now let's see how we can use a for loop to print all the values from this array. Here we see the for loop from the previous example, where the condition is that the loop will run as long as the variable I has a value that is lower than 12. Now we have to change this condition because we don't want the loop to run this many times. We only want the loop to run as many times as the array has data. So here we can use the length attribute on the array. So we will change this value. We will change the 12 to myFruits.length. This way the condition depends on the length of the array. And here, instead of printing the value of I, we will use I as an index for the array myFruits. So we will print the values of myFruits, and we will use I as an index. So when we run the code, we see that it prints all the 4 values from the array.